Hey, Kevin here. It's been a little while since I've last uploaded, but I've been very busy improving the game. In the footage you're watching today, you will see the first 4-player free-for-all gameplay test. Some things to keep in mind while watching this. I was not present at the time of the recording. This is actually somebody else who volunteered to record for me and then send me the data and their playtest video. The players did not have any instructions on how to play, other than older videos that I've posted, which all of you have seen, and some community interactions as well. There is no tutorial for the game yet, and as a result, a lot of the functionality I put into the game is not showcased, simply because the players do not know about it.
Did I bring the peanuts? Rolling out. Yes. $40 mil, high velocity. On the way. Sparta ready. Roger that. Moving. Send me forward. Moving. Send me forward. Send me forward. Sparta ready. Sparta ready. 40 mil, high velocity. Moving. Rifles ready. 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 Send me forward. Rifles ready. Sword of the Legion. Moving. Moving. Send me forward. Send me forward. Moving.
Because this was a 4-player match, I needed to update how the colors worked. In previous iterations, one player was green and colonial, and the other player was blue and warden. In this version, in the lobby, you can pick from up to 8 different colors and which faction you wanted to play as. This means you can play warden versus warden or colonial versus colonial. To facilitate this more, my 3D modeler added decals to the tanks so they could stand out more, without that big ugly flag on the back of them.
Send me forward. Moving. 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 Rifles ready. Rifles ready. Sparta ready. Rifles ready. Moving. Rifles ready. Ready to build. Laying foundation. Did I bring the peanuts? Laying foundation. Sparta ready. Rifles ready. Ready to build. Did I bring the peanuts? Ready to build. Did I bring the peanuts? Yes. Did I bring the peanuts? Ready to build. Roger that. Send me forward. Rifles ready. foundation. Ready to build. Did I bring the B-mats? Moving. Send me forward. Moving. 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 Send me forward. Send me forward. Rifles ready. Throw me in the trenches. Right away. Moving. Send me forward. Moving. Send me forward. Laying foundation. Laying foundation. Yes, on the way, on the way. Rolling out, on the way. On the way, on the way. Laying foundation. Send me forward. Moving. Send me forward. Moving. 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 Send me forward. Moving. Send me forward.
Another thing I added in this version was supply caps. I don't want players to make an infinite number of units, so they should have to pick and choose which units they want to make for maximum effect. This is not really noticeable at this stage of development, but when more advanced units and tech trees are introduced to the game, it will make more of an impact. At this point, the only person who knew supply was a thing was actually just myself, and I feel bad for not saying anything. There is a small indicator up in the top left, and this tells the player their current supply and their supply cap. I need to make this more visible with an auditory cue to tell the player when they have hit their cap.
Right away. Formation march. Ready to build. Moving.
One thing this player told me that they didn't know how to do, although it was in the game, was set rally points for buildings. I told them afterwards that all they needed to do was have the building selected and then right-click anyone on the map, which will then create an arrow or a line pointing to the location where the unit should automatically travel to when the unit spawns.
Right away. Send me forward. Rifles ready. Sparta ready. Rifles ready. Ready to build. Did I bring the B-mats? Ready to build. Rolling out. On the way. Moving. Send me forward. Ready to build. Roger that. Ready to build. Yes. See me, you're ready to roll.
This part was really frustrating for me to watch. As the only developer of the game, whenever I add a new feature, I adapt to it really quickly in testing, so I don't think about what a player who has no instructions would do. This is really important for me to see in playtesting. Adding new features is always a lot of hard work, so seeing players not understand it makes me feel like a fool. What exactly this player is struggling with is actually an artifact of a previous iteration of the game. Longtime followers will notice one big change from this video from the last video. Everything is grid-based. I changed the way buildings are placed to be strictly grid-based due to the pathfinding system not always liking it. When players could place a structure in any orientation, it would sometimes block grid squares without their knowledge. As the only developer, I can somewhat accurately tell where the grid squares are for pathfinding, so I could easily avoid this issue. Other players during playtesting would frequently block their units in their base without knowing how or why they did it, while there would always appear to be a path for units to travel through. Because the players could freely rotate structures, I needed a way for players to actually rotate them when they placed them, so I came up with this anchor solution. This allowed a player to first click to place the structure, then rotate it to the direction they wanted it to face. So I removed that anchor feature, and now pressing R rotates the structure before you place them.
Formation march. Formation march. Sparta ready. Sword of the Legion. Formation march. Formation march.
Another thing you may have noticed is the units do not travel on top of each other as much as they used to. Right now, the physics calculations for my units is turned off, and until I can find a good solution, I found something else that will give the units a better feel. This is a flocking behavior called steering, which means that each unit looks ahead of itself, calculates its own hitbox against the target's hitbox, and rotates to try not to collide with it.
Formation march. Send me forward. Send me forward. Send me forward. Send me forward.
This short clip is an example of an extreme scenario. Both tank groups are headed straight towards each other. In older versions, they would simply phase through each other, but now they at least try to avoid touching each other.
Send me forward. Moving. Send me forward. Sword of the Legion. Yes. Roger that. Rifles ready. Sparta ready. Rifles ready. Laying foundation. Did I bring the VMATs? Send me forward. Sparta ready.
You might have missed that quick bug that was just demonstrated. Sometimes it was difficult for players to select units with the multi-select. The issue was, when a player would release left click over the HUD, the multi-select would not finish, which made it impossible to select any troops until another left click was issued.
Sparta ready. Rifles ready. Rifles ready.
This short clip demonstrates what should actually happen when you release the left click over the HUD. It now properly selects all the units that would have been in it when you release the left click over the HUD.
Sparta ready. Send me forward. Send me forward. Moving. Sparta ready. Moving. Moving. Sparta ready. Formation march. Right away. Right away. Formation march. Right away. Sparta ready. Formation march. Formation march. Right away. Formation march. Formation march. Moving. Moving. Formation march. Right away. Right away. Formation march. Right away. Formation march. Send me forward. Formation march. Formation march. Formation march. Send me forward. Moving. What's the mission? Right away. Send me forward. Right away. Formation march. Moving. Moving. Send me forward. Moving. Send me forward. Moving. Moving. Send me forward. Send me forward. Send me forward. Moving. Send me forward. Rifles ready. Rifles ready. Send me forward. Send me forward. Rifles ready. Moving. Rifles ready. 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 Moving.
With our main players slowly being defeated, there are just a few more things I noticed while watching this. Most noticeably is some units refuse to fire on each other. I have a hard time reproducing this, but I have seen it before. As the match continues, you will notice this more and more, and I think it might be a slight desync issue. The other big bug I noticed was some units flying. This is obviously not intended behavior, and is new to this version. Hopefully in the next version, I will have it fixed. Please relax and enjoy the rest of the match, and remember to like and subscribe to see future development videos, and comment with any questions or comments you might have.
Rifles ready. Rifles ready. Send me forward. Sparta ready. Moving. Send me forward. Send me forward. Rifles ready. Sparta ready. Rifles ready. Rifles ready. Formation march. Formation march. Sparta ready. Sparta ready. Rifles ready. Rifles ready. Send me forward. Sparta ready. Send me forward. Moving. Rifles ready. Rifles ready. Right away. Formation march. Send me forward. Moving. Moving. Sparta ready. Moving. Moving. Send me forward. Formation march. Send me forward. Send me forward. Send me forward. Moving. Sparta ready. Formation march. Moving. Send me forward. Send me forward. Formation march. Moving. Moving. Sparta ready. Formation march. Formation march. Formation march. Moving. Sparta ready. Send me march. Moving. Rifles ready. Formation march. Formation march. Send me forward. Rifles ready. Rifles ready. Moving. Rifles ready. Rifles ready. Send me forward. Rifles ready. Moving. Send me forward. Formation march. Formation march. Send me forward. Formation march. Moving. 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 Right away. Send me forward. Moving. Moving. Send me forward. Send me forward. Send me forward. Moving.